Scrolling through a forgotten box in my grandpa's basement, I stumbled upon an old typewriter, its keys dust-laden and neglected. As I brushed off the grime, the keys began to chatter on their own, spelling out a message: "Danger coming." I laughed it off, assuming it was some bizarre glitch, but the next day, the town's sirens wailed as an unexpected storm battered us, cutting off power. Curiosity piqued, I returned to the basement, and a typewriter clattered again. "Beware, friend." Confused and uneasy, I realized it wasn't just warnings for me but for those close to me. My best friend Jenna, always skeptical, dismissed my frantic calls until she narrowly escaped a car crash that night. The typewriter's last message was chillingly personal: "You're next." Heart pounding, I rushed upstairs, only to hear the splintering of wood as a tree crashed through the living room window.